Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're talking about Solana. What's our bear market strategy for Solana? In the last 1 year, Solana has gone as high as $260 and as low as $22. We are officially in the crypto bear market. Are we going to be holding our Solana through the bear market? Should we be buying more Solana, or should we even dumping our stash because we're expecting lower prices? In this video, we're looking at the Solana US dollar price chart, looking at Solana's performance against Bitcoin, also look at Solana against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the Solana market cap chart. Solana Labs is building a Web3 mobile phone. The backer of Solana blockchain said the devices will cost around $1,000 and be available for delivery in 2023. In this video, we'll be taking a look at our Solana bear market strategy. We'll be talking about that and more. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. At the point of recording this video, guys, is going for $38. It has a market cap of over $13 billion. It has a fully diluted market cap of $19 billion, and in the last 1 year, Solana got to as high as $260. Now, good news for Solana is that everything is going mobile. We're hearing news that Solana network is getting its own mobile phone called Saga. It's going to be an Android phone by the blockchain key stakeholder Solana Labs. The upcoming device is a modified OSOM handset with specialty crypto wallet functions. That's good news to see. But guys, we're in the crypto bear market. Altcoins are tanking hard in the last 1 month. All of these altcoins are down bad. Solana is actually down bad too in the last 1 month. Solana is down 20% in the last 1 month. But it has been seeing a nice pump because in the last 1 week it's up 22%. Even in the last 1 year, Solana is still up 38%. It has been holding up in the last 1 year because it had that wonderful pump. Let's take a look at the Solana US dollar price chart. And Solana has been dumping on its US dollar price chart from as high as $260. It dumped to as low as $25. People are calling for sub $20 Solana, but right now it looks as if Solana is picking up. Is this going to just be an exit pump, or is this a fake rally? Solana is up 52% from the bottom. From $25, Solana is almost at $40. We might see Solana breaking that $40 point very, very soon. So what will our bear market strategy for Solana be? Should we be buying more Solana? Should we be holding more Solana through the bear market? Because guys, if we're going to be honest with ourselves, from Solana's all-time high and Solana being down almost 90%, Solana was down 89%. To be honest, it looks as a very, very good buying opportunity. But we need to be careful with all coins. In my previous Solana update video, I told you guys, we need to be careful with all coins because, guys, from where we are right now, Solana can drop another 15%, another 50%. From where we are right now, if Solana drops another 50%, I will see Solana trading for around $16, $17. And Solana will be trading for $19 if Solana drops another 50% from where we are right now. And from the all-time high for Solana, that will just be Solana being down 92%. And that's Solana performing very, very well in its first bear market. Because if Solana is going to do what Ethereum did in the previous bear market, we were expecting Solana to drop as low as 94% from its all-time high. That's what Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, did in the previous bear market. And guys, you can see that Solana at 94% from its all-time high is going to land at a very, 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 very crucial support level. This is the support level where Solana took a time to figure out, okay, this is an important level. Think about it. The market or the price of Solana was actually pumping. It got to this $15 level and it took its time. It took like at least a month to figure out how to break out of this $15 region. So this is actually very, very key support for Solana. So if Solana gets to $15 from where it is right now, Solana can actually dump another maybe 60%. But everybody holding Solana will be happy if Solana just V-bottoms out of here, goes back to set a new all-time high. But we are being realistic to ourselves. In the bear market, a lot of the altcoins lose value against the dollar, and they actually lose value in USD terms. In the bear market, a lot of these altcoins lose value. Some of them come as low as 99%. So if your altcoins lost only 94% in the bear market, your altcoins actually performing very, very well. But another important thing for Solana is that they have big backers. But guys, when the market is dumping, the market doesn't care about who is backing you. And if Solana drops 94% to get to that $15 region, if it drops 92%, we get around $19 region. If Solana can behave very strongly and drop only 89%, I would not see a new low for Solana set again, and this is the final low. Maybe $25 was the bottom. Only time will tell right now. But let's check how Solana is performing against Bitcoin. Because most times you want to see how those coins performing against Bitcoin, because the coin might be gaining value in USD and be losing value against Bitcoin, or be gaining value against Bitcoin and the USD valuation is not increasing that fast. You can see that Solana, since the bottom came in here on the 12th of June, has gained over 70% on Bitcoin. Now, Solana is outperforming Bitcoin in the short time. Wonderful, wonderful to see. You can see that on the dollar pairing for Solana just went from $26, $25 to as high as $39. That's just a 49% increase on Solana from the bottom. But if you go on the Bitcoin pairing for Solana, you'll notice that Solana is outperforming Bitcoin already. Will Solana continue this trend? Will it continue outperforming Bitcoin in the bear market? Because guys, if you look at Solana's previous history from 2020 when it was launched till 2022, if you go to the US dollar price chart, you see that even on the US dollar price chart for Solana, when the market pumps, Solana pumps. But when the market dumps, Solana is actually going to dump. Look at it here. The market pumped here from May 2020 to August. Solana pumped. The market dumped. What did Solana do after that, guys? Solana dumped really hard with the market and waited for Bitcoin to go on that wonderful run when Bitcoin was above its all-time high in 2020, entering 2021. Solana joined the rest of the altcoins and pumped into space. And then we had another dump in May last year. May, June, and July, the market was down. You could see Solana went from as high as $58 to as low as $20 before Solana went on that final monster run that took it above $200. So since then, it has been dumping, and if we're going to be honest with ourselves, Solana has returned mad returns for the investors from 2020. If you got Solana in mid 2020, you were up over 48,000% at the top of the market. Even right now that the market is down and people are complaining and that we're in the trenches, you'll still be up over 7,600%. So Solana has really outperformed the market in the last 2 years. But right now, if you outperform the market, remember, during the bear market, you might dump harder than the market. And if you go back to Solana against Bitcoin, you can see that when Solana is gaining against Bitcoin is when the market is pumping. But if the market starts dumping, Solana crashes harder than Bitcoin. From the top for Solana that came in here on the 7th of September 2021, you can see that Solana has dumped over 77% against Bitcoin. Yes, on the short term, it's actually outperforming Bitcoin. Will this time be different? If we're going to go by history, has showed us that anytime Solana is outperforming Bitcoin, it just means the whole market is pumping. Right now, it looks as if the market is having a little relief, and Bitcoin is actually still above $21,000. Right now, you can see Bitcoin is just battling this $21,000 region. We want to see Bitcoin hold that level because, guys, if Bitcoin goes way below its 2017, 2018 all-time high, we might see a drop in Solana. So, guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, what will you be doing through the bear market? Will you be buying more Solana? Will you be holding your stash? Or will you even be selling your stash into Bitcoin or into US dollars because you expect the value of Solana to go down against Bitcoin, to go down against US dollar? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you'll be doing with your Solana. Let's take a look at the Solana Ethereum price chart. Solana was one of those Ethereum killers that had a lot of hype, and it's living up to the hype because right now it's ranked number 9 on CoinMarketCap. It has over 1 million people tracking Solana. Solana is a very popular coin. And how is it performing against Ethereum? It has actually been outperforming Ethereum in the last 2 years when it was launched, and it had a dip against Ethereum right here, April till June 2020. What we're noticing with Solana is that when the market is dumping, it loses a lot of its value against Ethereum. But when the market is pumping, like the market did from January 2021 till the ending of 2021, Solana topped here in September 2021 against Ethereum. So now outperform Ethereum in that 246 days by 3,800%. Wild returns if you are holding Solana through the time when the market was pumping. Even through the whole dip we had in May, June, July, Solana still outperformed Ethereum, but it has been losing value against Ethereum since then, and I think you still continue losing value against Ethereum if you look at it this way, that guys, in the bear market, Ethereum will lose value against Bitcoin, and if Solana is losing value against Ethereum, that means Solana will technically lose value against Bitcoin. I don't know, the math is kind of fuzzy, but it kind of makes sense in my head. And you can see that Solana is down 65% on its Ethereum pairing. In the last few weeks, it has been outperforming Ethereum. When the market is pumping, the recurring theme for Solana is that against Bitcoin, it's outperforming Bitcoin, it's outperforming Ethereum. Even on its dollar pairing, it's not having a huge pump like that. But guys, 50% is actually a large pump in the bear market. But you need to be careful because in the bear market, we can see these coins actually pump violently. See this last pump that got people so bullish. It was an 80% pump, and we got to as high as $136 on Solana before we dumped straight to $26. So you want to be careful with all coins during the bear market. If you take a look at Solana market cap chart from January 2021, when it was less than $10 million, guys, it went to as high as $77 billion in less than a year. Wild ride to the top. But what has happened after it had a wild ride to the top? It has been dumping really hard. It has dumped to as low as $8.7 billion. Right now, it's at $13 billion. I still think Solana can drop further Only time will tell if I'm right. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think Solana will see a new all-time high anytime soon? What's your own bear market strategy? I'll be accumulating some Solana from this $19 to $15 region. I want to know your own price target. Where will you be accumulating some Solana? Or do you think the bottom of Solana is in and we're going to be pumping to the moon? Remember, all of these altcoins are waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way. So if you're saying the bottom of Solana is in, that means you're invariably saying the bottom of Bitcoin is in. Or maybe the bottom of Bitcoin is not in and Solana might not dump in Bitcoin terms. Only time will tell. But right now, Solana is performing well in the last 1 year. In the last 1 week, it's still pumping and it's trading for $38. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.